Hey everybody, Nashville Typewriter here with a Olivetti Lettera 22 on the desk. The serial number places this machine as being made in 1962, so it's a later model, but still manufactured in the Italian factory in Ivrea. This model is Olivetti's smallest portable typewriter, weighing in at just a little over 8 pounds. The signature Olivetti design in shade of blue really shines on this little typer. It's in really good shape. The paint is pretty close to perfect. There's only a few tiny nicks here and there. There's a small spot right here. Let's see if you can see that. Down there. Yeah, I mean just barely. Other than that, I mean it's really clean. Mechanically, it's really solid. Like all my machines, it received a full strip down, deep cleaning, and oil at all the pivot points. So everything moves like as it should. It's pretty nice and quiet. It's got a nice little bell to it. The typeface is a nice Olivetti Pica Victoria. It's in a 10 pitch. So let me show you a quick demonstration of it actually typing. When I'm typing on these old machines, I always use 2 pieces of paper. It's called a backing sheet. Just gives you a little bit better imprint on some of these older platens. So we'll go ahead and feed the paper in. Get it a little bit straight. All right, so here we go. Once more, I'm going to shift it down to the red so you can see that. All right. Let's see. So there you have it. Quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. I managed to not typo this time, so that's good. Let's see. One other thing. Sadly, the original case that this came with was in really rough shape. That's unfortunately fairly common for these smaller Olivetti portables. The cases were made out of some sort of a pressboard material that tended to warp over the years. And if that didn't happen, then usually the zippers that hold them together bust off. I've only gotten one out of probably 10 of these smaller guys with a functional case. However, I did manage to modify another case. Give me 1 second, I'll grab it. Okay, so I was able to modify this case to fit this little Olivetti portable, and honestly, it works pretty dang good. Let's see. All right, so it's got these little rubber bumpers in here. Pull the paper out, put down the paper. All right, so there's a little lock right here that locks the carriage. You always want to engage that when you're storing it, and the shift lever folds back. All right, so it actually fits in there sideways, and then there we go. And if you can see, it kind of just locks into those little rubber bumpers. And knocked down the carriage lock. There we go. It also has a little rubber bumper here with some of the soft Velcro. So when this closes, this actually holds right here on the frame of the typewriter to kind of keep it from flopping around in there. So, and it locks in. There you go. So it works pretty well. But the cool thing about these particular typewriters is, given their size, this would actually fit really well in a laptop bag, like a larger laptop bag, or maybe even like a shoulder satchel, something like that, if this case wasn't to your taste. I think it would work pretty well, though. I actually like having a more solid case. I wish that more of the Olivettis came with something like this versus the ones that they had. So anyway, I guess that's pretty much all I've got. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.